Every year, millions of us set New Year's resolutions, hoping for a fresh start. Whether you like it or not, every year millions of us fail within the first few months. Goals, dreams, and life-changing ideas all fall by the wayside as we slowly return to our old habits and routines. It's a cycle familiar to many. We start with high hopes and genuine intentions, only to find ourselves slipping back into the same patterns that we vowed to break free from. This recurring pattern begs the question, why do our resolutions fail? And what can we do to truly reset our lives? The answer lies not in the goals themselves, but in our approach to achieving them. Traditional New Year's resolutions often focus on specific outcomes: losing weight, learning a new skill, or saving money. While these are admirable goals, they miss a crucial element: the transformation of our daily habits and mindset. This is where the big reset comes into play. It's not just about setting goals, it's about reevaluating and restructuring our entire approach to life. It's about understanding that real change doesn't happen overnight or with a single resolution. Instead, it requires a fundamental shift in how we live, think, and prioritize our time and energy. To embark on this journey, we must first identify what truly matters to us. What are the values and activities that bring us genuine happiness and fulfillment? Once we have this clarity, the next step is to eliminate or reduce the things that drain our time and energy, but don't align with these core values. This might mean cutting down on mindless scrolling through social media, reassessing time-consuming obligations that don't serve us, or even rethinking toxic relationships that hold us back. The concept of monk mode is key in this process. It refers to a state or period where an individual adopts a highly disciplined and focused lifestyle, akin to that of a monk, to achieve specific personal goals. This mode is characterized by deep work, minimal distractions, and a strong emphasis on personal growth and self-discipline. At its core, monk mode is about cultivating an extraordinary level of focus and discipline. This means dedicating significant blocks of time to work on goals without distractions. It's about practicing self-control and staying committed to tasks, even when they become challenging or mundane. This could mean decluttering physical spaces, simplifying daily routines, or reducing commitments that are not aligned with one's primary goals. The idea is to remove unnecessary distractions and simplify life to free up mental and physical energy for more important tasks. It involves creating a period in our life, ranging from 3 to 6 months, where we live more intentionally and minimally. During this time, we focus on our personal growth, mental and physical health, and the pursuit of goals aligned with our true selves. It's about creating space for transformation by removing distractions and dedicating time to what truly matters. The big reset is not a quick fix. It's a commitment to ongoing self-improvement and a recognition that the journey itself is just as important as the destination. The journey towards self-improvement is not linear. It involves periods of reflection where you assess your progress, learn from your experiences, and make necessary adjustments. This ongoing process of reflection ensures that you remain aligned with your goals and values and are flexible enough to adapt to changing circumstances. A crucial part of this reset is addressing your emotional and mental well-being. This might involve practices like mindfulness, meditation, therapy, or simply engaging in activities that bring you joy and relaxation. Taking care of your mental health is not only vital for your overall well-being, but it also enhances your capacity to pursue and achieve your goals. While this is a personal journey, the role of a supportive community cannot be overstated. Surrounding yourself with like-minded individuals who are also on a path of self-improvement can provide motivation, inspiration, and accountability. By embracing this mindset, we can break free from the cycle of failed resolutions and start a journey towards a more fulfilling and purposeful life. This path, while challenging, is immensely rewarding as it leads to genuine transformation and a deeper understanding of oneself. Embark on the journey of today by making a personal commitment to yourself. This commitment is your first step towards a transformative path of self-improvement and personal fulfillment. It's a pledge to prioritize your growth, well-being, and to embrace the changes necessary for a more purposeful life. Recognize that this is more than a temporary shift. It's a lifelong dedication to evolving, learning, and becoming the best version of yourself. The power to change your life lies within you. Let today be the day you take that brave step forward.